The next topic, I will talk about the electrical power. Power in DC circuit. Power in DC circuit. Power is rate of doing the work. This is the rate of doing the electrical work. This is the power. So for the electrical, we can calculate the electrical power. Electrical power in DC circuit. Power can be written P. P is a power. Unit is watt. P is a power. Unit is the watt. Power can be calculated. If you connect the electrical circuit to power supply, so this is the battery positive and negative. We connect it to the power supply. We can measure the current by ammeter and voltage by voltmeter. And here we got the resistor. So this is the battery. We connect the battery to resistor R. Ammeter in series, voltmeter in parallel. So when you connect the resistance to the supply voltage, the electrical current I will be flowing. Power can be calculated. Power P is current square multiply resistance. If you know the current, if you know the resistance, we can calculate the power. P equal to I square multiply R. So I is current, I is resistance. Current unit is ampere, resistance unit is ohm. So P equal to I multiply I square multiply R. Similarly, power can be calculated. P equal to voltage square divided by resistance. If you know the voltage square divided by resistance, then you can calculate power. So power can be calculated by two ways. One is if you know the current and resistance, we can calculate the power. P equal to I square multiply R. Current square multiply resistance, we calculate the power. Similarly, if you know the voltage and resistance, we can also calculate the power. P equal to V square divided by R. So this is the ways how we calculate the power. So the power is the rate of the doing the work. Electrical power in DC circuit, the power unit is a watt. P equal to I square multiply R, or P equal to V square divided by R. So this is the way we calculate. Okay, first problem. Circuit has the voltage 240 volt, V equal to 40 volt. Current 10 ampere, I equal to 10 ampere. Circuit got the voltage 240 volt, circuit current is at 10 ampere. We need to determine the power dissipation. We need to calculate P. So in this case, we know the voltage and we know the current. Power can be calculated by the three formula. P equal to I square R, P equal to V square I, or P equal to voltage multiply current. So this is the three method we calculate. You know the current, you know the resistance, I square multiply R. If you know the voltage, you know the resistance, P equal to V square by R. If you know the voltage and current, P equal to V multiply I. So there are three formula. how to calculate the power. So this problem. We know that voltage 240 volt, current 10 ampere. We have to calculate the power. So we write down the equation P equal to V multiply I. So voltage 240, current 10 ampere. So you got 2400 watt. This is equal to 2.4 into 10 power 3 watt or 10 power 3 kilo, so 2.4 kilowatt. So the voltage 240 volt current is 10 ampere. We can calculate the power P equal to V multiply I. So V 240, I 10. So 240 multiply 10, so we got a 2400 watt. 2400 is 2400 watt. This is equal to the 2.4 into 10 power 3 watt or 10 power 3 is kilo, so that 2.4 kilowatt. So this is the way we calculate the power. Problem 2. Apply voltage 6 volt, resistance at 25 kilo ohm. We have to calculate the power dissipation. So in this case, voltage is at 6 volt. Resistance I equal to 25 kilo ohm. 25 kilo ohm means 25 into 10 power 3 ohm. We have to calculate the power. V 6 volt are 25 multiply 10 power 3 ohm. We have to calculate the power. So in this case, we know the voltage, we know the resistance. We can calculate the power. The equation is P equal to V square divided by R. So P equal to voltage square divided by resistance. Voltage is 6 volts, so 6 square. Resistance is 35 into 10 power 3. So this we got the 6 square is 36 divided by 25. The 10 power 3 is go to numerator, that will be 10 power minus 3. 1. So 26 divided by 25. 36 divided by 25. So what you got is 1.44 into 10 power minus 3. 1.44 multiplied 10 power minus 3 watt. So if you divide the 1.44 by 10 power 3, what you got is 0.0144 watt. Or 10 power minus 3 is a milli. Therefore, 1.44 in milliwatt. So this is the answer. 1.44 multiplied 10 power minus 3 watt or 1.48 divided by 10 power 3. So we got this is equal to the 1.44 divided by 10 power 3 or 1.44 by 1000. If you divide it by 1.44 divided by 1000, you got the 0.0144 or the 10 power minus 3 is a milli, so 1.44 milliwatt. So this is the way we calculate the power. Next problem, problem 3. Next problem is resistance at 12 kilo ohm, current 2 milliampere. We have to calculate the power. So the I equal to 12 kilo ohm. 12 kilo ohm is 12 into 10 power 3 ohm. I 2 milliampere. I equal to 2 milliampere. 2 milliampere means milli is 10 power minus 3, so 2 multiply 10 power minus 3 ampere. So this is resistance and the current. We have to calculate the power. So we know the current, we know the resistance, we can calculate the power. Equation is P equal to I square multiply R. Current square multiply resistance, we can calculate the power. So in this case, the current is 2 multiply 10 power minus 3. So 2 multiply 10 power minus 3 square multiply resistance 12 kilo ohm, so 12 multiply 10 power 3. So 2 multiply 10 power minus 3 is that will be 2 square into 10 power minus 3 multiply 2. Multiply 12 multiply 10 power 3. So that will be the 2 square is a 4. 10 power minus 3 square is minus 6. Multiply 12 into 10 power 3. So that is 4 and 12 multiplied, we got the 48. And 10 power minus 3 multiplied 10 power 3 is a 10 power minus 6 multiplied 10 power 3. So that will be 48 multiplied 10 power minus 6 plus 3. So that will be the 48 multiplied 10 power minus 3 watt. So answer is 46 multiplied 10 power minus 3 watt. So in this case, we can write down 48 multiplied 10 power minus 3 48 milliwatt. 48 milliwatt, we can calculate that. Or if you divide the 48 by 10 power minus 3, so 48 by 10 power 3 is 48 divided by 1000, we also got the 0.048 watt. The answer is 0.048 watt or 48 milliwatt. This is the way we calculate that. The next problem, we have to calculate the voltage. In this case, the resistance value is 625 ohm. Current is 160 milliampere. So we have to calculate voltage. So in this case, we calculate V equal to I multiply R. I is 160 into 10 power minus 3. Resistance is 625. So by solving this one, what you can call is 100 volt. So this is 625 multiply 160 divided by 1000. So 100 volt.